Sa otegerere Thomas Gosuka abwe manyigoro yo mugana bwo munyangongo wa munyoko yechimbe chimita chimesenesa torira nodira kororo gongorerwa migori igo ikabonega amaseta ime yensengima oyo no mugana oye mega yo kare kana yesentire abene megetesini igien soko TV aya narabo atego kwanira igoro buna chagete no kebone iga omesire yango tegerere yo mugana oye Lilian Odira aye masa ya monegetesini igien soko TV ase amatukabwango iga nerietari abareko barigo kwaneka asera mani yabamunyoke imeyense ya Kenya. Lilian Odira umusubati osokurongo rwe county ya Migori na wikaboniga obaire buno musubati obata ushinga kabisa imeyense ya Kenya nkaya amagoro wikaikambye ya megirio egotoka nsemo ya Ruiru prison se naiga nkamanyara ka karame gira matindi bosi obwechigosari cyo. Lilian akaikaransa nanche na kongambye umuganoye guchakiro bwana bwaye na wikaboniga sekiri na komesa imeye chinchirere chama minyoko.
Lilian Odira, national champion. I come from Migori County, Sula West constituency, a village called Ndonyo. Last born in our family. We are two. Okay, my dad has two wives, so in our home we are two. So I'm the last born, boy and a girl. So I can say our family comprises of 4 children, and I'm the last born. Yeah.
Odira akaira chinga kichaye chobwana gosomera chisukuru au imeye county ya Migori maega yo kunganya agochia se skuru ya secondary ya Keberesi egotoka imeye nsemo ya Kenyanya county ya Kisii asa koreta masoma ye kerasi ye 10 na kabere.
My school in Ndonyo primary. Where I started my school, and then I shifted to Bondo Complex and did my KCP in Bondo Primary School. Then went from 1 in a school called Sagero, and from there that is where I shifted to Kisii and went to a school called Nyota. From Nyota I went to Keberesi Secondary School, and that is where I did my KCSE.
Ase chinkwana achiane nere yemo aseyemo imeyomoro wiriwenda basi yabanyangongo Odira akabeka teneni bunaniga ngete kumnyoka kare ase skuru yo boroso na mayaga yabibuli baye korora ekiegwa kiaye bakangya kumusira elianyareko bakakokikirania korende akamotogya mono omwarimu oye kuru ase skuru ya Keberesi aso ogukibacha na kugetieri ekiegwa kiaye egoika akangya komesa.
Nilianza kukimbia nikiwa primary school. That is where I started my career. And haikuwa ile unaweza sema that I'm a professional athlete or what, but ilikuwa tu ile tu doing it for fun. But I could go compete in maybe the county levels, the regional levels, and that is where I think so many people also like maybe have got a talent, and got a very big support from my dad, who could advise me maybe on so many ways on how to maybe do better. So kutoka primary school I went to high school, that is Keberesi, and a sports teacher, Madam Unyuka, she was very supportive and could take me maybe to the regionals, to the counties, and I could go compete maybe with the Kisii people, and by then it wasn't easy to make it to the regional levels. So from there I think that is where so many people, I discovered my talent. I decided to shift to Kisii for better training.
Magega aya maigeria matindi imeye bituno abyagusi Odira akeruta imeye chinchirire chama minyoko asa akorete buya na komesa asa minyoko akorekanete imeye county ya Embu aiga engeni yaye ekarekana teneni nabono okerenera maigeria matindi elio komesa mono.
My first competition after training in Kisii, I went up to the nationals. That is, it was Embu, and I became the national champion that year. I think from there, that is where I knew I had a talent and do more of practice. Yeah.
Korengana na Odira nigarenge konyantoka ase chimbero ao egati yabo chiriche chimite ribwe ya mone chimeisano amona chiria chimita chimia inye Korende maega yokora ningani gagokora buya ase chimbere chiche chimita chimeiso na isato nigo angete gwetieria borro ase chimbere chio na kerengaki akenyora gako basura abamunyo kibande ekero barenge gotiemana.
And I had to specify on 400 meters and 800 meters. And I think all the years that I went to BC, I maintained it, and it was every year I could make it the champion of the region.
Chimbero chiri cha Kepkeino Classic chikakorekana imiyegeti igie chigosori egia Ulinzi Complex Center na agaiga Odira akajaka bagako mususura omunyangongo obwe chimbere cyo Omeri Mora na kurugabwe akenekira etigiti yugucha kunyantoka chimbero echiabaka komesa na kubua ekiegwa keria kerigena aria mabera.
I think nilifurahia sana because Mary is a world champion. She is the defending now. And she's the Olympic bronze medalist, and I think she's among the world beaters. So me racing with her maybe that day and coming out the winner was so great. I was so much grateful and humbled at the same time because meeting such people maybe in an event is an added advantage. Maybe let me say so, because those are the people that we go outside there and meet and compete with them. So where I realized maybe everything is possible to anyone, and I took it serious on my training because it gave me a lot of motivation. First of all, making it to the Olympics. I think Olympic is the most high of all events in athletics. So I was so grateful and so much honored to make it with the team.
Odira oyego ikabono obwaterete record y'omunyanto kiegiata ase chimbere chiche chimita chimeisa nesato imeyense ya Kenya nigo aene kirebuna teri merimo meke korende go ikagendere ko bekomokia ere kugendera ko bwaterera record yeyo.
I think it's not an easy job. Fika huko juu inakuanga maybe sometimes rahisi, lakini kuishikilia hapo juu si rahisi. So it always gives me that mental of not sleeping, because like last year I was the national champion, so this year I had to work hard to maintain my title. So I think it's not easy. It comes with a lot of working hard, discipline, and kujitolea, I can say so. Yeah, and it comes with a lot of pressure because you're the national champion, and everybody is watching on you. You'll have to defend your title. You've done a lot. You've done a lot on the training, and your coach believes on you. So it's now your part to play it.
Wikabona iga kwenakira etigiti yogo cha konyantoka chimbero chicha World Athletics Championship. Chimbero echio cha korekana matukabwango iga imeyomo chio Tokyo enze ya Japan. Asabaka bagako nyantoka muweka na webarasi na kwebwera lige na alia mabera. Asabaka bagako mune rekodi ye myaka emerongene enebere. Rekodi konya bekiru cha kera omwaka bwirigwe yemo chimikianda 53 negento aratigare kujoroso umabwaye ego ika myaka yonsi.
But during that day, I got the qualification, made it to the team, went to the semis. I got another PB, 158.57. So even if I didn't make it to the finals during the Paris Olympics, but I was so grateful with the performance that I came out with. Yeah.
Kurende kuikabona iga nigo Odira abatogiri mono obalia bonsi bakomokonya kwegera anene omwalimu wajeba munyoko omosubati Jacinta Muringura oyo mobachire ego ikabeire kyoge getindi ase chimbere chyo.
So I've had a very strong team behind my performance, and so far I can say I don't have any injury, and I'm okay. I've always said, and I'll still say that I think she's the only coach who understands me more than any other person, because apart from athletics, she plays that role of a mom and a mentor to me. And I would always say that even if I become a world champion,
korende kirekia nkebwato boremeru bwaye ritko ya chimbero cha World Indoors echio cha korekanete ime ya China nigo ligotigara ko baritko liege sunte asamo subati Odira maya yagoterena ko gwanse ekara renge kuminyoka
during the World Indoors, that is China, it was during the semi-finals where I fell down. My aim was to get to the finals because I was in the best shape of my life when I was going to the World Indoor. So my focus was making it to the finals and maybe coming back with a medal. So when I fell down, I was so heartbroken, and it really drained me. But I thank God, I've always had a team that is so supportive, and you know, sometimes in an athlete, mental toughness also matters. The coaches that we went with to the World Indoor, that she gave me a shoulder to lean on, let me say so. The likes of Mr. President Ray, they were there, and they really supported me during that moment because I was down, and my family could tell me that I remember my dad telling me, I was crying by the way. I took it positively. So kukubali ni ngumu, you understand. I was in the best shape in my life, and making it to the final was positive. But God has a reason for doing it.
nonyenigo obatogirie mono abanyangongo bande buna musubati Helen Osando Obiri amone ntingana ayamunyoka matambe ensengima Catherine Nyambura ndereba asoko mwegeka anobosemia obubwa mokonyire egoika abono iga asaba sabire bali babwate byegwa kubeka omokia elewikiranie byegwa byabo.
Okay, I'm also still learning in this athlete, the likes of Helen Obiri. So many mothers out there who have made it, and I'm still learning from them, the likes of Catherine Nyambura. And she's always there to advise me where possible. I'll also like to advise the young generation that discipline wins and consistency. In athletics, discipline is paramount, and it is the key thing. And consistency wins than talent. I think consistency will always win over talent. That is what I can tell the young generation. And then I will always advise the young girls to work hard, be disciplined, and always to run clean. Yeah. Hii talent ndio maybe siku moja itakuja imfikishe mahali.
Odira uyo bwene kiritenene koba imeyenyuomo nigo asingirire buna abana baye nabwo kirege ntokeri yage komusegeta ere kobeka omokia ankyo na ankyo elyo komesa asinchirire chama minyoko.
I thank God because I think my kids came as a blessing to me, because coming from maternity and making it to the team in a row, it was a blessing. So I'll always say that my kids came as a blessing. So I say my maternity journey has been that successful and can't complain.
Lilian Odira nigobono aene kirobore murwebiti ebijya bya maegerio asake borire kyombekeria kya munyoko imeyense ya Kenya Athletics Kenya AK kwegeka ebiti ebijya bya maegerio elyo ko bakonya munyoki gokora buya asa maegerio abo nabego ko batanga kurwa konyora chingoma.
And so far I can say I've got a lot of support. Yes, my employer, Kenya Prison, PSTC fraternity, that is PSTC family, starting with our commander, they have been so much support to me. We've got so many support from the AK, but we have got this challenge of the track, and it was so hard getting maybe a training facility for the preparations. We could go down maybe to doing the training in the Maram tracks, and sometimes it's a bit risky. Maybe you can get an injury, or maybe. So I think we need to get more tracks, certified tracks, because when you look at Kipkeino Classic, Ulinzi was done the last minutes, and it was so risky because we just imagine as an athlete running a time and then maybe the channel is not ratified because the track is not certified. So I think as athletics family, we need to get more tracks, and they specify this is just for athletics. So it's a very big challenge, and our cry is only about the track. I think everything is fine apart from the track. So we're just asking for tracks that would be so much helpful. Okay, injuries don't prepare you. They always come maybe at your peak or at your low time of your career. So I think it's always advisable to be so much keen. In terms of track, you find out that so many athletes get it. For example, a marathon track, maybe when it rains, like it might be slippery, and that is the endangers of the injuries that we're trying to talk about. So our plea and our cries will always remain to be track. At least we get an athlete's track that will be serving us all through the year. See it, maybe unapata we're going for the trials and we're like, where are we going to do the trials? There is no any track that is specified that this is for the athletes, and it's not gonna be used by the footballers or whatever. Okay, we don't say that football is bad, but you see now, like, they've occupied all the stadiums in Kenya, almost all, and the stadiums that they have occupied are all certified tracks. So I think it's a bit challenging to an athlete. Yeah. Okay, it has happened, not once, not twice, but you just know how to pick yourself up from an injury. That is the most important thing an athlete should always learn. Like, you've got an injury, but you don't want to show it to your fans, because fans will not always hawaelewi. Mtu anakuja anashindwa, they're like, huyu ameisha, you see, but they don't, you know what you're going through. So it's always advisable. Like me personally, I'll always, like, don't show it out. We go through injuries, but I'll not show it out to my fans. Maybe I always, like, advise myself or talk to my coach and maybe withdraw from a race rather than maybe getting those bashing from the fans or what.
Na butambe buna bagotebanga amatongo makoro tanya kwibwa nigo munyangongo yue ebono obeke record ya simyo chicha World Athletics Championship iyo abakabaga kobeka amatuka makaetre ime ya Tokyo Japan aganiri ekambi ya mayigerio kwegekwa ime yarongo orwa Nyanza ya Irianyi Elioko basira abasaye bari bwate ebyegwa ao byemaminyoko.
The cooperation of the Athletics Kenya, maybe if maybe they can get us a camp in Nyanza, specifically in Migori, maybe that is Nyanza South, because you see in Kisii they have got a youth camp and so many other places, but when you look at Nyanza, in our place, we don't have any camp, and I think it will be a very great motivation to the young upcoming athletes who've got talent, and they've seen me doing it, and they like to be maybe in future like me. I think getting a camp in Migori will be so helpful to the upcoming athletes or those who might be interested in running, because now they're seeing Odira has come from Migori. It's very possible. I think it's just a mentality. If anyone can run, it only depends on the support that they can get. So I think getting a camp in Migori will be so helpful.
Akaiburwa imeye kinyorega ke kiandonyo ke gotoka imaya Suna West imeye county ya Migori na kare ate skuru ya secondary ya Keberesi akamnyokera skuru yo asigosori chia East Africa cha korekente ya Fora Stadium 2016 awekaboniga Lilian Odira olikiri umugano unakoba egatiwa munyokie bya time ya Kenya chimbero chichimita chimia isano onaisato korwa ekinyorega ke kiandonyo kigotoka imeye county ya Migori anene ekenyoro abange bataba kwa kemanya na kwikabono olikiri rekodi buno munyokegia time yensengima chimbero chiriche chimita chimia isano onaisato eye mega yoko buno rekodi ye myaka wetane 30 ase chimbero chiriche chimita chimia isano echi chakorekana imeyense ya Tokyo amatukama kaeta chimbero cha World Athletics Championship eriatariaye Lilian Odira ojino nyabono ikaransirete seni kia Ensoko TV na kweresa ekera manyete buna nabwateke yoko munyoka goikakabeko mokia wikabone eriataria yaligoterwa ensengima buno munyokiore nyorwe emyaka yonsi eriataria ye igoligo cha gotigara eseramani bitoyo munyoko ensengima goikakanaka nabono iga igo bagatebanga record ya yataliondoranye bune no sete kubuneka asamatuko amange aremotwe eriatira nchenkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga oyino morobiri bwenda basi yabanyangongo Ensoko TV. Ogima bwa